How to view login history on Capital One. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check if someone else accessed your Capital One account, well, in this video, I'll show you how to view your login history and monitor account activity for peace of mind. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Capital One. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Capital One. Now here, you can simply click on sign in and after that, simply enter your credential to log in to your account. And once logged in, you can simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and from the drop down menu you can simply select security or security and privacy settings. Now you simply have to scroll to the section labeled recent sign-in activity or login history and there you will see a list of recent logins including device type, location, date and time. And if something looks suspicious you can update your passport immediately. And that's it. That's how you can view login history on Capital One. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.